crocodile, bulls, leopards. These guys sure know how to tear it up in the Demolition Derby. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow!
Can you see that again on the